Hello student of class 8, this video is the continuation part of your chapter percentage. Now I will do sum number 32. 65% of Bengalis are feast eating, 55% are flesh eating and 40% are both. Find the percentage of vegetarians in the Bangladesh. Sorry, in the Bengalis. I will do the sum with Venn diagram. These are the two sets. Here this set is for fish eating, and this circle is for flesh eating. Fish eating candidate 65%, that means this circle contains 65% people, okay, and flesh eating, this is flesh eating circle. Here 55% people 55% flesh eating person, 65% fish eating person, but 40% are both. Here 40%, that means this is the common part of two sets. This is one set, this is two set, this is the common set. So this will be 65 minus 40 equal to 25%. That means whole circle equal to 65, and here only this portion equal to only 55 minus 40%, 55 minus 40, this is equal to 14%. This is only flesh eating percentage. That means fish eating percentage of fish eating, that is equal to 25%. This is only fish eating, that means this portion only fish eating. This is 25%, only flesh eating equal to 14%, and both percentage of both equal to 40%. So I will get 65% in fish eating and 55% in flesh eating. Okay. So vegetarian, therefore vegetarian equal to 100 minus 25% plus 40% plus 14%. Okay, 100 minus, this is fish eating percentage, this is both percentage, this is flesh eating percentage. All are subtracted from 100, and here I will get the percentage of vegetarian. Percentage of vegetarian equal to 100 minus 979, this is equal to 21%. Okay. This is equal to 15, this is equal to 15%, so this will be 80%, this is equal to 20%. So vegetarian Bengalis is 2%, 20%. Okay, vegetarian percent is 15%. That means this figure is, this is 40, this is 65 minus 40 equal to 25%, and this is 55 minus 40, this is equal to 15%. Okay, this is fish eating and this is flesh eating, and this is both of fish eating and flacetting. Okay, done. Next, sum number 33. It is given that if money is devaluated by 4%, find the percentage increase in money that will have to be spent to buy a particular article. Let say money required equal to M. Money is devaluated. It is given devaluated by 4%. So, value of new M equal to M minus M 4M by 100, that is 25. M minus M by 25, this is equal to 25 M minus M by 25, that is equal to 24 M by 25. Okay. Here 24 M by 25, this is equal to M, that is M equal to 25 M by 24, increase money equal to M, increase money equal to 25 M by 24 minus M, that is 25 M minus 24 M by 24, this is equal to M by 24. Percentage of increase amount equal to M by 24 into 1 by M into 100%, that is equal to 625. 625 by 6, that is 6 1 by 4%. 6 1 by 4%. Okay. This is most important. Money is devaluated. So then this equal to the original money. So original money equal to this portion. This is 24. Okay. That means money is increased. Money is increased. This portion, money is increased in this amount. Okay. Here I am ending here.